Greetings, fellow heroes. Here's how to change the multiplayer server in Heroes of Might and Magic, Olden era. If you've been experiencing long matchmaking queues or latency issues while playing, there's a good chance you're connected to the wrong server region. To change it, head straight to the multiplayer section, since this option isn't available inside the regular game settings menu. From there, click on multiplayer, then select Find Opponent. This will take you to the Quick Match screen. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll find the Multiplayer Settings option. Click it, and a new window will appear where you can choose your preferred server region for matchmaking. Select the region closest to your location to help reduce lag and other network-related issues. As an extra tip, while you're in this menu, you can also choose your preferred map and battle speed settings. Doing this helps prioritize matchmaking with lobbies that match the gameplay speed you selected. Once you're done making your changes, click Accept to save and apply the new settings. And that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.